Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mission Math Minds. Today we are going to learn the theorem for circles. So theorem 5.2. The statement is the tangents drawn through a circle from an external points are equal. So for this, first we need to draw circle. So with the center O, and this is external point, the point lying outside the circle. So I'll mark that as a P, and it's touching a circle. That means it's forming a tangents. So this is a one tangent, this is another one. So I'll mark this as a Q and this is R. So now we will write data are given. So what they given? They given that O is a center and P is an external point and PQ and PR is tangents. PQ and PR are the tangents from an external point. So next, what we need to prove? So that is to prove. So here they said we need to prove the tangents are equal to each other. So tangents are PQ and PR. We need to prove that PQ is equals to PR. So that is we need to prove. So next, construction. Construction. Now I'll do construction in a dotted lines. So I'll join OQ and OR. After that, external point OP. So write draw OQ, OR and OP. So next, prove. So because of this external points and everything, by joining construction we will get two triangles. This is one and this is two. So the two triangles are in triangle. One triangle is QPO and another one is RPO. So in these two triangles, the tangents will form 90-degree angle because it's a perpendicular for the circle, and we have OQ is equals to OR because the radii of the two same circle, it's a equal, because the in a one circle we can draw many radii, so that is equal to each other. We can't call that as a radiuses. We need to call radii because we have a two. That's why. If we have only one, we can call that as a radius. So I'll take OQ is equals to OR. So because the reason is radii of same circle, and Q angle is equals to R angle because it's a perpendicular. Perpendicular means in the last class also I said it's a 90 degree. So what is the reason? Tangents perpendicular for radius. So next, which is a common side, we have OP. For the two triangles also we have a OP side as a common. So therefore OP is equals to OP because why? Common side. So now we have a two sides and one angle is equal. So therefore we can say the two triangles are congruent. So congruent means it's an equal symbol with a sleeping S upon it. So that one we will call as a congruent. So which are RHS criteria. So otherwise you can write SAS also because side, angle, side also you can write. So because if the congruent means we can tell if we have any two triangles, in that two triangles are congruent means all the sides and all the angles are equal. So that thing you need to remember. So here now we have these two triangles are congruent. So therefore we can say, because one side is equal, OQ is equal for OR, and another one side is equal, that is OP is equal to OP. So leftover side is PQ and PR. So they both are equal to each other. So therefore PQ is equal to PR in CSCT condition. CSCT means congruent sides of corresponding triangles. Because if the two triangles are congruent means that sides also equal to each other. So hence the proof. I hope you people enjoy the video. Subscribe, like it and share it. Thank you so much.